Hello everyone, welcome back to Build and Repair and Restore. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoy the content. If you do, make sure you give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also join the channel for exclusive content. Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. We are back on site, day 2 of our extension build, and we're going to continue doing some demolition. So I hope you guys liked yesterday's progress. Yes, we're getting through it real quick, that's how we do. Whole team on the job. So yeah, today we're gonna continue demolition, and we're gonna try we're gonna get these bricks out first, get the foundation of the old kitchen out, and then we're gonna try and attack the concrete patio area, which we need to break up as well. So see how we get on. So we will be reclaiming some of these commons, the good ones, because they'll blend in nicely with the newer ones as well, to sort of keep the house looking as original as possible. So we've got quite a lot to go through and clean up. To be honest, the mortar on this stuff, it just crumbles off, so it's really easy to get the mortar off, as you can see. So a little scrape and they'll come up nice and clean. So yeah, that's a job for Mr. C. Clean up. He started cleaning up some of them yesterday, start packing them up here. And this is the foundation that we left yesterday. So as you can see, a little bit of wall to take out here. We've got all loads of rubble bags now. We're going to clean this all up first, and then get the jackhammer and start breaking this concrete foundation out. Hi everyone, so we're done for today. Demolition is complete. We managed to get all the concrete out, foundations out, the rest of the bricks, and basically the last digging that needs to be done is all to be done with the digger. So yeah, we're gonna call it a day, let the guys have an early day today. It's lunchtime now. See, I'm a lovely boss, aren't I? So yeah, so we're gonna shoot off. We've worked hard for the last 2 days, gonna take a break, and then we're back tomorrow. Hopefully we should have skip here tomorrow. First skip, fill that up, and yeah, see what else we can get on with tomorrow. So just show you what it looks like, and then guys, we'll see you tomorrow. So that's it. The old foundations are gone, the old extension is gone. This is literally dirt now. So yeah, we took the concrete off, and we've cut the concrete at the moment up to here, which is about 4 meters out, so you can see the whole space now. So it's going to be quite a large extension actually. A nice addition onto the house. Yeah, this is just rubble and this is soil, so we're ready to dig now. So we've got a gully here which is going to have to be moved. That's for our rainwater thing that runs across to the main road. There's an outlet there. We need to find our sewage pipe, which is somewhere in there, which we'll find when we start digging, and we need to relocate that as well. So yeah, that's it. All right guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. So take care.